As the screen gradually fades from black, a title emerges, bold and clear: Lose Weight Fast, the Ultimate Guide. This is not just another weight loss video. We understand your struggle, the uphill battle that seems insurmountable, but we're here to tell you that it's not. Together, we'll explore the journey of weight loss, debunk some common myths, and equip you with practical steps to reach your goals. So buckle up and get ready to redefine your relationship with your body and health. Are you finding the journey to weight loss a steep uphill climb? Rest assured, you're not alone in this struggle. It's a common issue that many face, but with the right approach, it's a battle that can be won. Let's delve into the simple yet effective steps to weight loss. Firstly, exercise plays a significant role in shedding those extra pounds. Incorporate cardio exercises into your daily routine. Activities like running, cycling, or swimming are excellent for burning calories. Engage in strength training to build muscle and boost your metabolism. Consider weightlifting or bodyweight exercises. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, which involves bursts of hard exercise followed by rest periods, can also help you burn more calories in a shorter time frame. Next, we have yoga, a practice that not only makes you more flexible and stronger, but also helps in weight loss. Certain poses like the downward dog and the warrior can strengthen your muscles. Moreover, yoga can instill calmness, reducing emotional eating, a common barrier to weight loss. Now let's talk about diet. It's crucial to nourish yourself with whole, nutrient-rich meals. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains in your diet. Stay hydrated and steer clear of sugary beverages and excessive snacking. Additionally, keeping a food journal can help you monitor your food intake, identify problem areas, and make healthier choices. And don't forget the importance of sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt the hormones that regulate your appetite. Shifting focus to some common weight loss myths. One prevalent myth is that skipping meals can aid weight loss. However, the truth is, skipping meals can slow down your metabolism and lead to overeating later. In conclusion, fast weight loss requires a blend of exercise, diet, and lifestyle changes. By following these tips and strategies, you can achieve your weight loss goals in a healthy and sustainable way. So, to recap, engage in regular exercise, practice yoga, eat a balanced diet, keep a food journal, ensure you get enough sleep, and don't skip meals. Remember, the journey to weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint. So take it one step at a time and you'll surely reach your destination. Stay tuned for more actionable tips and insights. Until then, keep striving for a healthier, happier you.